More on the radiator swap. So there you can see it almost fits. I just need to wedge it in. And I'll let you know what happens after I push. Here you see that it's just above, right there. See, it's just above where it's supposed to be. So you wiggle a little bit, comes down. And it looks like the top is going to fit in now. Okay, back on the top side, you can see how that fits in. And now I can just roll it into the cage. Everything's good. Screws come through the front end. It should bolt up just fine. I do need to put the rubbers on those bottom posts, but I'm not worried about a little bit of rubber in there. Viper radiator installed. Okay, now we're trying to get the fan onto the radiator. You can see that the screw and the hole just slightly off. And I want it to be right of that, so I'm going to grind a little bit of that edge off, and that should fit it. Okay, there you go. You see I took maybe a 1/4 inch off. It fits around that fitting now. I just have to take this to my aluminum welding guy and get, because you can see there's no stud there, there's one where there shouldn't be, up there. Get these two lined up. He'll be able to cut those off and re-weld the aluminum.